Hey guys, welcome to Car City Inc. and look at this beautiful new arrival. Very hard to find, older pickup truck, Toyota Tundra. This is a crew cab and got 127,000 miles, which is very low. One owner, clean Carfax. Again, very hard to find those older units. They're very popular. People love those because those are very reliable. And body in pretty good condition. There is no visible rust. There are a few minor scratches. Again, it is 2006, so older unit. It does has nice rims all around, almost new tires, running boards. I'll show you frame. Frame is in pretty good condition again for its age. I didn't see anything major. It's got a very clean interior, power windows, closed interior, and again nice and clean. Nice headliner. It's got climate control, AM, CD changer, AM FM radio, no white sun, low miles, and the one thing good about this one, it's got timing belt and the water pump have been replaced. We got the cover and the floor mats, they're here. Let me open the hood. I'll show you how the engine looks, and if you guys have any questions, you can always give us a call. V8 4.7. Again, there is a sticker for water pump and timing belt. This is a major maintenance which have to be done. Nice, clean, beautiful pickup truck at Car City Inc. in Palatine. So if you guys in the market for one of those, don't be late. They're selling pretty fast. Check us out at carcitychicago.com. Free copy of the Carfax report for all our vehicles. And again, this one is a one owner, clean Carfax and clean title. Any questions, give us a call, 847-496-4250, and we will be happy to answer it, and hopefully you can drive this beautiful pickup truck back home. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great day.